Hello, this is Steve Miller. In today's video, we will be looking at adding an iOS device. This is part 3 of creating a development provisioning profile. The first thing that I want you to do is to go ahead and log in to your developer account at developer.apple.com, and then make sure that you clicked on Member Center. Underneath identify or certificates, identifiers, and profiles, click there. And this time we're going to choose devices underneath the iOS app section. And underneath devices, what we want to do, and you may not have any devices listed here, I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus symbol. And then what we're going to do is we're going to register a new device. One thing that's key here is that you'll need to go ahead and capture your UDID. So what I want you to do is go ahead and open up the newest version of Xcode that you have on your box. And once Xcode has loaded, then what I'm going to have you do is go ahead and take the device that you want and then go ahead and connect it. Okay. So here I have Xcode, I believe it is 6.3.2. I'm going to go ahead and plug in another device I have. It's a iPod Touch into my Mac Mini, into the USB port. Okay. So now it's connected to my Mac. Then what I'm going to have you do is go to Window and then go down to Devices. And then underneath Devices, what I'm going to have you do is find the device that you just connected to your machine. You may actually get prompted for connecting the device. If you get any prompts, just go ahead and say OK. Then click on the device that you had. And then what I'm going to have you do is double click here where it says identifier. And you can then go ahead and copy that, or go up here to edit copy. Then we're going to come back here and we're going to paste our UDID, which is also that UDID that we use when we're doing Appium testing. Underneath the name, you can use the same name that's listed on the device. You can give it a different name. It's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and use the same name. So I'm going to copy the same name that was listed here underneath device information. Then what I'm going to have you do is go ahead and page down and click continue. And again, we'll get a confirmation page. One key thing here is during the year that you subscribe for the $99, you can register up to 10 or 100 devices. At the end of that year, you can reset all your devices. So during a period of 1 year, you only have access to 100 devices for testing. So keep that in mind. You can't actually delete after you add a device. So if you think you're going to get close to 100, you might want to pick and choose which devices that you register. Then go ahead and click register. And now you can go ahead and click done. And in your list of iOS devices, you will see that device listed there and the UDID that you captured from Xcode. So that's the basics for actually registering a device, and you can have multiple devices registered, and again, depending on your account, typically your limit is 100 devices per account. Thanks again for watching this video on creating and adding or registering a iOS device as part of your development provisioning profile. And again, I welcome feedback. Tell me what you like. Tell me what I can improve. Thank you very much for your time.